Welcome to the unboxing of HP Pavilion x360 convertible 14-dh1008tu. Here are the specs. It's an i3 10 generation processor, 256 SSD with 1 TB HD, 4 GB ROM, no optical drive, Windows 10, touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, 14-inch FHD IPS LED with B&O speakers. So I'll be doing the unboxing. This is a pseudo unboxing because the box was already opened by the retailer in order to install Windows. Okay. Okay, this is what comes out of the box. This is the recharging brick. This is the pen which comes. It comes with a AAA battery. This is a pen with the booklet. It came with a AAA battery. It is already put inside. And this is a charging brick, which is a 65-watt charging brick. This is the laptop. So it's quite small and compact. This is the laptop. We check into the booting time. It's already Windows is already installed, pre-installed, and activated by the retailer. We check into the booting time. So this side it has an USB 3.0. There is a speaker mic port is there. Vent is there. This is a switch on button, I suppose. Yeah, and then we have one HDMI port, one more USB 3 port, and a USB-C port, and a card slot for SSD, and the charging port. Okay, it's written Pavilion. It's an Intel Core i3 10th generation and comes with an Office Home and Student pre-installed. Now we check into the booting time. Oops. Now switch on button. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 seconds it got booted. So this is the screen is really good compared with my X laptop. It's a really good screen, but the problem is that it's hyper reflective, like a touch screen tablet. It's not like it does not have a matte finish like the other laptops. And then okay, and then as we know, it is a touchscreen laptop. This touchscreen works like this, and then there is a tent mode for it. This is a tent mode. So now the display got inverted, and you can use it like a tablet also. And this is a tablet mode. So once you make it into the tablet mode, the keyboard gets switched off and none of the controls on the keyboard are happening. You can use it like a book or like a thing or like a normal tablet. And then with iPen, no, HP ink pen, it seems. Which is also quite sensitive. Now we will go to Google Chrome, access the engine. How it's okay. Anyways, it's responsive, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.